7:23. So I didn't tell y'all this, but I wanted to leave at 7. So you know it's a little after 7, but at the Loves, I did everything I need to do, and I'm about to hit the road now. I got here at like 5:35. Appointment time is at 5 o'clock. It's 5:03 currently. I'm already in my dock, so I'm gonna lay down for a little bit, get me a nap, and then somebody hopefully is either gonna call me and come knock on my door, have me, you know, they're gonna break the seal and all that stuff, back up to the door. I have to get my APU fixed because it stopped working in Florida, as you probably already know at this point. And then I also need to get the bypass switch thingy done. I'm gonna go to, there's an international like 12 miles from here, so I'm gonna call them and like open up at 7, so I need to make sure I set an alarm, and then call the other place again and be like, look, y'all still got this part, because if I come all the way over here and y'all have this part, I'm screwed. So yeah, that's the plan. So hopefully I'm not here too long, and I can get those two things taken care of before I get my next load. So we'll see how it turns out. Getting off on the exit. I just got my left wiper replaced. Now my white wiper, oh, now it won't show out, but it's basically loose. Hopefully it's not broken. Brand new wipers haven't been on this truck 2 days. All right, so how about the bracket was broken on the wiper. That thing separated. It was like it started flopping like it was gonna fall off the truck. I was like, this is the same thing that happened to the driver's side windshield wiper, the one on the left, but now passenger side one is acting up. So anyway, they're replacing it, thank God. I don't have to take it anywhere else. I have to sit here, right, for 5 minutes and make sure that this shutdown timer is actually off. So it is currently 12:06, and now after I leave here, I'm headed to the APU repair shop. I sure hope I can make it within that amount of time. So you see my time is ticking, so I'm about to hit the road, because I think I'm 22 minutes away. So I'm out. Made it with 6 minutes to spare. So they moved my truck. You obviously don't know, but I moved into the bay or whatever. They moved my truck, put me on duty, and so now I'm in violation, and I've been in violation for an hour now. So I'm gonna have to try to edit that and fix that, and I need to do it now and not forget, so that it doesn't bite me in the butt later and I get whatever and can't remember why, what happened, if I happen to get pulled over or something. But I've slid my tandem, so I finally got my paperwork, finally, you know, gotten processed to get up out of here. It is after 5 o'clock. I'm ready to go to the truck stop and shut it down for the night. So yeah, oh, and hopefully see my bestie. Y'all, this has been a long, about 3 or 4 days. It feels like 3 or 4. What is it? Friday? It's Monday? Not even 3 days. 3 days. Long 3 days. Yeah. And I got to go in there Dallas traffic. Rush hour Dallas traffic. But I should make it there within my time for my personal convenience stuff. So yeah. Alright, y'all, I got to eat some delicious food and hang out with my best friend. We kind of just chilled this visit. We were laughing and talking and having a good time. It's always good to see her. Hair sure is sticking up. Anyway, got to spend some time with my friend. I don't really shoot a lot of video at all, but I don't typically. I just get enough to document. Anyway, all I gotta say is it is 7:48. I just got off the phone not long ago with the broker before I pulled off. I had to finish my pre-trip and all that, and my appointment is at 1:30. But they were like, yeah, you know, you can come get this a little early. I already know this, sir. I already know.